followed your case a little bit.
You being a Macon boy and all.
You've got an opinion then?
Wouldn't say that. I go in for that innocent till proven guilty thing. Even considering who they say you killed. I got a nephew up at UGA. You teach there long?
Going on my 6th year.
You meet your wife in Athens? You wanna know how I see it?
I got much choice?
Sure don't. Regardless, could be you just married the wrong woman. I'm driving this man once. He was the worst one. He wouldn't stop going on about how he didn't do it. He was an older fella, big soft eyes behind a pair of smart folk glasses. He just wailing back there. Said it wasn't him. Crying and snotting all over right where you sitting. Then before long, he starts kicking the back of the seat like a fussy baby on an airplane. I'm telling him he's got to stop. That's government property, and I'll be forced to zap him otherwise. So he stops, and having exhausted all his options, he starts crying out for his mama. Mama, it's all a big mistake. It wasn't me.
So did he do it?
They caught the fucker red-handed, stabbing his wife, cutting her up as the boys came through the door. He sits in my car screaming bloody murder that it wasn't him. I think he actually believed it himself.
It goes to show, people up and go mad when they believe their life is over. I got another good one for you. This one's a little bit less depressing and a bit more hilarious if I do say so. This other time...
Oh, shit. Thirsty. Ah, fuck. My leg. Why the hell did he have his gun out? Maybe it was tossed from the car during the wreck.
चलना
Officer? God damn. Officer?
देहाती जैसे
Officer. Holy shit! What in the hell? What the fuck are you? What happened? Get away from me!
अरे बंदूक ले बंदूक ले बंदूक
What happened? What happened?
मामा मामा
Don't make me do this!
खूब फोड़ दिया उसका लाल पानी चुला दिया उसका वो देख कितना खून निकाला उसका ब्लड से अब उसको